and welcome to the highlights of Qualifier 1 of the Pakistan Junior League, Gwadar Sharks versus Bahawalpur Royals. Gwadar Sharks won the toss and decided to field first. Bahawalpur Royals making 3 changes in Qualifier 1. Their usual captain Ubaid Shahid back in the side, Chavez the batter is in, and Kharutai, the overseas from Afghanistan, the all-rounder, also gets the place in 11. Gwadar Sharks have been having a good tournament and they didn't make any changes in their side for this qualifier. Luke Martin Benkenstein with his form and Arafat Minhas with his all-round performance stay in the 11. Let's join our commentators as the action begins in Qualifier 1.
Pakistan Junior League Qualifier number 1. Here we go. What a delivery first up. That is a beauty and well kept out. Oh, that's a lovely shot down the ground. There's plenty of runs always there. That is beautiful from Basad Ali.
Absolutely. Balance and timing and head position.
There's an edge. Oh, and he's grasped it. He's put it down. Benkenstein went quickly to him, but he's there for that reason.
That slip has been there for a while. And remember in the last game, he was saying the ball's not carrying. Should I be here? Well, this one definitely did carry and came at pace.
Shoaib, that's nicely played. Oh, it's tipped past the post. Chase is on now. It's going to be a teaser. And has the ball won or not? I'm not sure it has. We're going to have to look at that a couple of times, I think. That's a fine stroke. Let's just bunt that down the ground for 4 to finish that over as well. That's 3 4s off the over for 12. 13 for none. Oh, it's a beautiful delivery. There was a noise, and up goes the finger.
Of course, Tayyab just falls across and he's thinking this is a bit straighter and he wants to work it through the leg side. But just watch this delivery. Starts middling off and is an absolute beauty. Simple catch just for the wicketkeeper.
Over the top. Not by much. But it's going to run away for 4. That's a good shot.
Yeah, I like this.
Mid on and gone. Mentioned it. And he's holed out.
And all he does is he just picks out mid on. It's a simple catch.
Oopsie, where's that gone? I think that might be a wide or a no ball. Just fetch it and bring it back wherever it's gone.
Wow. Just got to his ball buys. And it's a free hit.
That's a beautiful shot. That will be loads of confidence for a batter, any batter. That's a good shot. That is an excellent shot. Straight, full face of the bat. Nice follow through, and it goes for a boundary. 1 for the photographers. And just puts you off with the line. Keeper tried to stop that. Even that glove onto that ball didn't stop it. Just races away. Down on one knee, launches that, but fails to get distance. He's gone.
And this is the kind of problem Gwadar Sharks creates for the opposition. Every bowler is a wicket taker. Down on one knee, Chavez Irfan tried to go for that big shot against Arafat Minhas, but he was too good. Easy catch.
Mohammad Danish, the new batter in. He's straight away off the mark, and will be a boundary. He's got it fine enough to beat that short, deep point fielder. It's in the air. He hasn't got hold of it. This might be trouble. He's popped it out. Oh, yes. He reached there, Arafat Minhas, and on the second attempt, just couldn't finish the catch.
Mohammad Danish getting a life here. Went for a big slash. Arafat Minhas.
So far has Masood, courtesy of those 5. Oh, that might be interesting. Are they going to send it upstairs? I think they might just have a bit of a look. Better to be safe than sorry.
No. Well, he's gone.
Zingbiles have lit up those stumps, and he's going to see red. Whilst nicely played. Threaded the needle, and that's gone for 4. That's what they needed, just to stabilise things a little bit. A little bit short and a bit leg side, and it's got the treatment, so there's another boundary to finish the over. Full toss. Man out there, he's not going to get close to it though. It's going to go for 4, so here's a chance. There's a boundary off the first ball.
He's got hold of that. You can tell by the sound of it. 6 to end the over. 117 for 4. Top edge. Nothing the keeper could do about it. Just flies with the pace. Makes room. Doesn't clear. Gone. Saad takes the catch. And a wicket.
He was lucky he was in the slot and just didn't time it, Farhan. You just see in the slot, maybe a bit of pace off, and he tries to go over extra cover and just picks out mid-off. Simple catch.
He's used the pace again. This is going to the fielder. Good. Oh, yes, good catching. Momin takes the catch.
Best way for the Sharks to just stop them scoring runs is to keep getting wickets. Probably timed it too well, probably trying to get it a little bit finer. Just couldn't.
That should be 4. That's a good shot. They all count and it's important. Again, that pace taken off. Oh, he's missed it. That doesn't help the cause, does it? He's working hard, the bowler. Full toss again. And he's gone. It's just that height doesn't really allow you to smash it. Wicket of the last delivery. So they managed to add 7 in this last over, and they've lost a wicket in that.
So at the end of 20 overs, Bahawalpur Royals only managed 139 for 7. It was courtesy a good partnership between Danish and Farhan, which was of 54 runs that helped them to get to 139. Top of the order, Basit scored 20 of 21. Otherwise, rest of the guys were not really getting the good shots going. Bowlers were good. 3 for 10 in 4 overs for Ismaili led the way with a wicket apiece for Shoaib Aftab and Arafat Minhas. So 140 to get at 7 runs and over. Let's join the action as the Gwadar Sharks come out to bat.
He's been pretty good with his aggressive left arm deliveries. Wide first up though. Nicely played again. This time he's played it squarer, and this time he's picked up a boundary as well. That's a fine shot from Benkenstein. Gone over the top with control, and has hit it beautifully. That is a wonderful stroke for half a dozen. Nicely played.
That's what I'm talking about. He's going to bowl up because he wants wickets. He wants to bring that slip fielder in, but he's now challenged with aggression of Luke Benkenstein.
Cries of catch it. He might be out. He is out. Nathan Edward has picked up a really important wicket here. It was clear what he was trying to do, and they have got him now. Caught it mid-off and a softish dismissal.
Straighter this time, but sliced it. An easy catch.
That's nicely played. Straight out of his dad's copybook, I think, from the Caribbean when he was young and ventured over there. Beautiful shot, well in front of square. Just ticked around the corner for 4. Easiest shot in the book when you're in form.
Put away. 2 leg side, that delivery. Oh, that is sublime.
Oh, he gets that edge. Everything's been missed. That should have been out. Well, it's gone too hard at the ball. Nothing the keeper could do. This big shot. He is trying his level best to give an opportunity to the opposition. Just dropped short. Good effort there by the man in the deep. Tayyab was there.
This is a valiant effort. Desperately tried to get there, couldn't.
There you go again. Attacks. Just passes that cover fielder. He gets a boundary, but lots of oohs and ahs. It's hit big. This time he clears everything. Benkenstein wants to finish this match. Gets to 53 in just no time. 31 deliveries and does deserve a standing ovation.
He's gone again. Now, has he got enough of this? Yes, he does. Yes, he does. He really wants to get things going now. 10 overs gone. 84 for 1. Oh, well, he's decided that he's going to take on RM Nawab. A couple of 6s in the over.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. He's making it so difficult for Zishan because he's walking round the crease. Now then, as he picked the fielder out, I don't think he gets all of it. Is he going to be out? Yes. So 11 runs from the first 4 deliveries. There's a little bit of chirping going on as well.
And this time Zishan puts a lot of effort into that ball. Benkenstein wants to go deep mid-wicket. This time there's a fielder there.
I don't know whether he does get enough of it. He just does, yeah. It clears it actually by some distance in the end. I like the fact that he's not allowed Ubaid Shahid to settle in with his off-spin.
This is a good hit. A very good hit.
Top edge. This will run away for a boundary. So getting closer now to the final. The Sharks, they just need 22 to win from here. Nice shot. This will be another boundary. So the Sharks want to finish this quickly.
Screams of catch it. Not quite. And back for the second.
Yeah. RM Nawab seems like he's just done himself some damage. Trying to take that catch.
Let's see if he hits his hand as well as he grabs again. No, it's straight through the line. That's a very good shot. Has it gone far enough? No, it hasn't. It's through the hands though. Backpedaling. Tough to catch those. Thinking about another one.
No, it's got too much elevation on that. It's because the ball isn't quite full enough to get the distance that he wants out of that shot, but he gets another opportunity.
Down the ground, not particularly hard, but it's going to be certainly successful for 4. And that's it. And he's pretty happy about things in the middle. He's brought up 50 as well. So congratulations to him from an individual point of view. But congratulations to the Sharks. They have swarmed tonight. They've swarmed all over the place. They have outplayed their opposition, the Royals, and it really has been a fine, fine performance.
So the Gwadar Sharks, riding on Luke Benkenstein's form, 71 of 37, completed and got to the score much easily with 8 wickets in hand, and that was the margin of victory. And Gwadar Sharks becomes the first team to qualify for a final of the Pakistan Junior League. Bahawalpur Royals were under par. They were struggling, they didn't have enough runs on the board, and bowlers didn't have enough opportunities to try different things. 1 wicket each for Edward and Zishan. They tried their best and took the game to the 19th over, but Benkenstein was too good that night. Having a look at the match summary, Bahawalpur Royals were asked to bat first. They managed 139 for 7, with top scorer Danish 33 and Farhan 30. Their partnership of 54 helped them to get to a certain score that provided a bit of a fight. But Gwadar Sharks, Benkenstein's 71 of 37 was too good to handle, and Gwadar Sharks won this match by 8 wickets and qualified for the Pakistan Junior League final in Qualifier 1. Hope you've enjoyed the highlights of the Qualifier 1. Until next time, it's goodbye.